This section will walk through how to set up your footer. So if the header is where you're really helping the customer navigate your site, whether it be different categories of your product catalog or specific information and testimonials if you have a service-based business, the footer is really your customer service, more functional information. So within my footer, I have quick links, which we can change the name of that. So I'm going to call it something like customer service. And just like with your header, under online store navigation, you can also update your footer menu. So your footer menu should be information such as shipping policy, privacy policy, refunds, terms of service, things like that. So I already have the footer menu selected by default, and I'll click Save. And we can go up here again and look to see how it will look on mobile. And on mobile, it condenses it into one column. By default, Shopify includes a newsletter subscriber button and box here where customers can sign up to receive updates from you. And you can also add additional menus. You can also add text. This is very useful for things like if your business needs a disclaimer, if you're going to advertise on Facebook or Instagram or Pinterest, your product may require you to have some sort of disclaimer on each product page. So rather than do that, you can include any disclaimer information on your footer so that you can't possibly forget to put it on a product page because it's already on your footer. You can also drag and reorder the columns. You can choose to show the payment icons, which makes your site look a little more polished and professional, and that way customers know exactly how they can pay on your site. You can change the color and the text independent of your larger site changes for that. You can show a language selector if you have multilingual customers. This is not set up with multiple languages, so there's no difference whether it's checked or unchecked. And the same with currency selector. And Shopify provides links to update those settings if you so wish. And once you've made all changes, click Save. And that's it.